What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. We just filled up 2017-18 Upper Deck Splendor Hockey 8-box break random hit number 1 SPL break. So this is a guaranteed hit break. So for $2.15, we'll showcase the hits from the boxes, then randomize the list of names and the hits with a randomizer in random.org, and you will match up. And what you match up with after the randomizer is the hit you get. So 6 total hits in this break. So we're going to open up a fresh master. There's 12 boxes in every case. So what we're going to do is what I usually do for every break, is we'll just go left or right. So first we'll showcase the hits, then we'll input the hits into a randomizer with a list of customer names. So we'll do this right here. Left or right. And we'll go 1, 2, or 3 for the left, and we'll go 4, 5, 6 for the right. Let's roll it. And we got a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side. So this side will be for number 2, which is also sold out. Jason got all 6 spots. So this break, actually really quick, let me quickly just show you guys this, is between Darren with 1 spot and Jason with 5. So we're just going to quickly showcase the 6 hits out of this break. Then we'll quickly randomize the list of names, and we'll see what hits these customers get. Alright, let's showcase them. Always fun to see what's in Splendor. This is the cool thing, is obviously you go by a personal box, you choose this one, I choose this one. This is yours. Maybe the best hit of the break, maybe the worst, but at least with a hit draft or hit random, you kind of get to see the opportunities you're going to get. It's like peeking through a case and seeing what hits are in there and be like, yeah, I would love that one. Let's see if I can get it. Alright, so the first one coming out of here is a Joe Thornton, 3 of 36. Nice little 3-color patch. Pretty sweet to start off. Quickly just put this in here. Alright, so 3 of 36 Joe Thornton coming out first. I'll put that right there. As you can see, there's the empty box. Next one. Speaking of goalies, Roberto Luongo. Is that a piece of the pad? I'm assuming that's a piece of the pad. 29 of 36. Florida Panthers. Yeah, it looks like a piece of the pad or something. Future Hall of Famer, Roberto Luongo, right? I think he's earned himself at least a trip to the Hall of Fame. With the wins, the amount of games he's played, at one point he was one of the best goalies in the league. Still going strong at his age. I actually had a Panthers jersey because of Roberto Luongo at one point when I was a kid. I like the colors. Alright, next box. Next one we got is a 8 of 27 Frank Mahalovic. Little piece of the stick and the ink. I think this is what they call black and white, right? Nice. Very nice. Alright. 3 hits down. 3 more to go. Next one we got is Erik Karlsson, 9 of 27, black and white. Ottawa Senators. Thicker card as well. That looks like a piece of glove too, right? Something like that. Doesn't look like it's just a piece of jersey. Alright, 2 boxes to go. We have a 3 of 11. What a beautiful patch. Steven Stamkos. Look at that. Nice patch. 3 of 11. Sweet patch. Also very, very nice. Alrighty, and the last box of this break, then we will quickly pause to input the hits and randomize the list of customer names. And we got a Doug Gilmour Splendid Signatures. I think that is card number 11 of 15 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. So yeah, 11 of 15. Kind of hard to see there, but it is 11 of 15. Alright, so just to showcase the hits the way they came out, this was the last hit. Doug Gilmour, 11 of 15. Nice patch. Steven Stamkos, 3 of 11. And we had a Erik Karlsson, 9 of 27. Frank Mahalovic to 27, 8 of 27. A little piece of the stick and the ink. Roberto Luongo, 29 of 36. And 3 of 36, Joe Thornton. So let's quickly just start inputting these hits into the randomizer. So there it is, Darren McKenzie with 1 spot, and then Jason with the next 5. And then we'll go with the first one, which was Joe Thornton. Right here, 3 of 36. So we'll go Joe Thornton, patch auto 03 of 36. Excuse my typing, guys. I'm not the quickest typer. I've gotten better though. Next one would be Roberto Luongo, 29 of 36. Roboito. that is 29 of 36. And we got Frank Mahalovic, stick auto, 8 of 27. Then it's the Eric Carlson, 9 of 27. Oh, you saw the Eric, right? Yeah, Eric Carlson. And that is patch auto 9 of 27. I know, right? Then a really nice Steven Stamkos patch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on here? Three of 11. I mean, I don't know. I've been spoiled with cases, as you can see, so I'm not sure if compared to the 2 cases I've got, this is duds, or compared all around with everybody else that's been breaking this. Is this an average case, or is this a good case? Because, like I said, I think we've been spoiled with some nice cases we've broken so far here. And that was 11 of 25. But we'll see. Alright. So there you go. Joe Thornton 1, Roberto Luongo, Frank Mahalovic. Then you got, Eric Carlson, Steven Stamkos, Doug Gilmour. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Customer names there. Dice here. List here. Let's do it, guys. Good luck. Dice roll it. 4 and a 4, or 2 and a 2, 4 times on the list of customer names, and the hits 4 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4th and final time. After 4 times, Jason at the top, Jason at the bottom, Darren at number 2. And we'll make this extremely bigger, just so you got. Whoa, what did I do there? Oh, what's going on? There you go. Alright, 4 times. Yes, 4 the hard way. Yeah. Good luck now. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After 4 times, Roberto Luongo at the top, down to the stick auto. And there it is. That's how it plays out. Jason, you get the Roberto Luongo patch auto, 29 of 36. Darren, you get the Doug Gilmour Splendid Signature, 11 of 15. Jason, you get the Steven Stamkos patch auto, 3 of 11. Last Bomb Oger was your Eric Carlson patch auto to 27. Joe Thornton patch auto out of 36. And Frank Mahalovic, I'm not sure, stick auto, 8 of 27. So that was the break, guys. Break number 1 of random hits. In a separate video, we're going to come back and do random hit number 2. Jason bought it all out, so that's going to be a little personal break for him. So we'll see what's in the second half of this case, so stick around, guys.